Good afternoon. My name is Ed Martinez, and this is Deliverable 2 for Team Sulfur. My group is composed of Donna Blad, myself, Ed Martinez, Jimmy Anderson, Carl Escobar, Nicolas Nagusian, and Ali Shaban. Moving on, we had three meetings for this deliverable, and pretty much we cover everything that was for the deliverable as well as the reviews. With the team reflections and the individual reflections as well. Moving on to the UML diagrams, first we're starting with the domain diagram. For this is we kept it mostly the same as the first assignment. The only things that we changed based on the results and between this was Donna's work was adding the attributes to the feedbacks, attributes to the race results, and the multiplicities for the relationship between the system and the race result and race results to the race. Moving on to the use case diagrams, this was a change made by Carl. So the review said that the use case diagram was too big. So Carl worked in making the previous use case diagram, making it more summarized. Moving on to the sequence diagrams, the first one is the register account. For this portion, Nick made sure that we incorporated all the reviews from the other classmates, in which we made all the sequence diagrams to just talk to the system and make them more clean and better to visualize. So the first one is the racer account, the second one is the provide review, and the third one is sign up for race. The fourth one is login, and then the fifth one is add a stage. Moving on to the activity diagrams, this was Jimmy's and Carl's work. First off with the account registration, the race sign up. Activity diagrams where it goes through the beginning for registration, and then if there's an invalid credit card, it goes back to the beginning. If the account already exists, it ends it, and if the account doesn't exist, the credit card is good, then it goes into creating successfully the account, and then given the option of whether or not it's going to buy a license, and then pitches, or it doesn't buy the license. For the race sign up, they sign up for the race, go to the race page. If there's no race available, then it goes back in. If the race is available, then it lets the racer select a race, select the details, confirm the sign up, then provide the credit card and submit the payment. If the credit card is wrong, then it goes back to provide the credit card information again. Otherwise, it goes into successfully registering the racer. Then there's also a race review and login activity diagrams. For the race review, the racer go to the race review history page, then search for the race, provide the name, provide the ID. If the ID doesn't exist, it goes back to the beginning to search for a race. If it does exist, then it goes into review the race results, and then to whether or not it's going to provide a review. If it's not going to provide a review, then it ends. If it's going to provide a review, then write the review, and then it gives them the option of either submit the review and cancel the review, which then both of them ends as well. Lastly, the login activity diagram, which is goes to login, provide username and password. If it's invalid, it goes back to the beginning. If it's not invalid, then it successfully logs in and finishes. Moving on, the system class model, basically the same as the domain diagram. The only thing that changes is that the actors do not directly talk to the other classes, to the entity classes. Right now there's two boundaries, the racer GUI and the organizer GUI. And then from the boundary, it goes into the controls, which for the organizer is the race management, and the racer GUI goes into race controller. And then those control classes interact with the rest of the entities. Lastly, for the UI design, this is what Ali was working on. If you go to the page, there's going to be an interactive web page in which there will be multiple scenarios from the activity diagrams. You can search for a race. It shows you the race. Once you press it, you go to login. It shows you the payment information. You can confirm and pay. It confirms the race registration. Once you do all that, you can go to register, and it shows you all the steps for what you need to do in order to like finish and stuff like that. Put all your information to proceed, and basically that's it. Lastly, the review section 3.5, Donna was working on this as well. where we put a summarized version on what were the changes that we did on each of the diagrams based on the reviews. And we want to thank all the students who gave really good reviews. That's it. Thank you.